Good morning, friends, fellow patriots around the world, and fellow engine enthusiasts. Here we have an OS Max 91 four-stroke, and that's blue fuel in the fuel tank there. A little bit of vapor from the exhaust. Yeah, I've been running it. This is actually the third tank of fuel. I ran 2 through it yesterday. That's Coleman Camp fuel mixed 20-to-1 with generic Walmart oil I buy by the gallon. Yep, that's the standard alcohol carburetor. This engine I have flown a fair amount in a Dynaflight SE5, and I'm currently experimenting with it, running it on camp fuel, gasoline, 20-to-1. And it's been running very good. Yep, there's the finger in front of the phone. And we'll turn it on. It starts good. It's very well mannered. It idles really well. And yeah, starts hard. And that's it, right around 3,000 RPM, sitting there. It'll run around 8,000 full throttle. It'll idle 2,000 and under really good. Yep, and this is a standard alcohol carburetor. Running a 14x7 master air screw antique prop. RCEXL ignition. Yep. There we go, under 2,000 RPM. Yes, I'm running pressure to the fuel tank. Standard alcohol carburetor. The O-rings were free yesterday on the needle, and I could adjust it easily. Overnight they swelled up. Still idling down around 2200. This rubber bands that are holding my throttle lever wanted to push back and idle faster. There we go, I let go. But as you see, it runs well. There we go, idles down around 1,400 and then shut itself off. Yeah. As you can see, the engine is behaving very, very well. Yes, I have it upright. It's an OS 4-stroke 91. It's the black valve cover. It may be a surpass. And yeah, quarter 32 spark plug, RCEXL ignition with a 2-cell lithium iron Li-Fi pack. And yep, and it's glow engine running on gasoline. Talk to you later. Have a great day, fellow patriots. Laus Deo.